I've got to admit, with my ADHD, if I had a nickel for every time I had to reset a username or password, I'd have a whole bank full of them. That's why for my text message based course, how to find work that works for your ADHD, comes right to your phone. There's no username or password. Each day, you'll get a text message with a zippy little audio file that'll have the topic of the day. Here, check out what it sounds like. This is for day 2. Hi, it's ADHD Coach Ryan. Congratulations on making it back for day number 2. And then I'll send you a personalized prompt via text. And for example, this one is write down your favorite memories that make you happy. So here's my notebook, writing it down. So I just want to let you know you're not alone in this, and I know it can be hard with ADHD. That's why this week I'm offering a 40% off, biggest sale of the year for Labor Day. So the discount code, you just go through my profile and you can enroll, and the discount code is Labor Day 40, Labor Day 40. I'm here for you. Let's find work that works for your ADHD.